Hello, my dear students, how are you? Or rather, I should say, friends, in fact. Now, I am here to briefly tell you about the regular English course SFM. That's basically what we call it as a full length course. So, it's a in English, it's a regular, or we can call it as a in depth. Although I know there is no requirement at a CA final, since you are all very smart and handsome, beautiful, whatever we can call it as, to know the description from the any of the websites or from where you purchase the courses. You know about it, that what is the course content is, what are the number of hours and lectures and so on. Still, I thought, let me share something with you, because it always becomes good enough. For example, you look at me and able to recognize some of you, those who would have done the classes from me earlier, and how the course will go on and what are the number of lectures and so on. And some one of the very important announcement which I'll make as I proceed further in this discussion. So it's basically a regular batch. In fact, sir, regular batch means what? It's a full length course, 100% syllabus coverage. Few of the question which comes generally, what we have seen over the period of a time. First question comes in, sir, what is the number of lectures we take approximately? What are the hours we take? And can we take it 1 year before the exam, 2 year before the exam? Everything I'll discuss as I move forward. First and the foremost question which comes out in front of us is, so what are the number of lectures? Approximately we have 62 lectures. I'm saying approximately because there could be a small plus and minus depending on the number of hours one lecture is being covered at. Second important question, sir, how many hours will cover approximately? Approximately, I am assuming a 180 hours. Approximately, I am assuming, again a plus minus deviation could be there. In fact, a plus could be there, a more chances that 180 hours would be there. Then comes, sir, if my exam, let's suppose, is in the 1 year down the track or a 2 years down the track, can I take it? There is no harm. In fact, I think SFM is one of the subjects which a student generally takes uh, first in the lineup, because of the reason that, what is the reason which comes out, sir? The reason comes out is basically because it's a least amended, or I say almost a negligible amendment, we can say. I cannot say they cannot modify or change it out, but it's the most non-changeable subject we can have. Work is both sides. My work is to deliver and your work is to put in the hard work. It goes both way, it cannot go in one way. Also, since theory over the period has become important in our course in the CA final, so we cover theory appropriately. Accordingly, we cover. Although, unlike your IPCC or inter, when you go, it is not that theory would be covered exactly the same way, cram it out and do it. No, final theory is beautiful. Practical oriented chapters, we generally cover the theory along with the practicals. The theory chapters, sir, theory chapters, theory which are theoretical in nature, we cover the theory portions from there. That means we cover it separately. Sir, how many modules would be issued? You will be given two modules. One would be an entire practical, first one. Second module would have practical plus theory, both of them. Plus, I would be sharing with you a PDF for the homework solutions and some of the class notes which I might use. Although you will be given volume 1 and volume 2, which is a regular course what we require along. The third is more of a homework discussion which are given, or homework questions which are given, or could be a small slides which we have used in the class and so on, which will be shared as a PDF. Then, sir, also let us know that the length of the classes and so on, which you do not have to worry. They will range from approximately 2 hours to 2 hours 45 minutes and so on. So there is nothing to worry on that front. Few things which I'll tell you from my side. For example, now when we are saying the SFM regular in-depth course, when we are talking about is, sir, this classes were recorded when? These classes were recorded, few of them could be of a face-to-face, which was in the December 2019 and a January 2020, and rest of the classes, it could be a studio or whatever you can see, the homemade or whatever, in the lock-in period it has been recorded in the May and June 2020. So they are fresh recording basically. Sir, do we cover the latest RTP still here, what we have been issued and so on, or what are the exam papers? Till where I'm recording that class, we'll be doing everything till here. So you do not have to worry on any part of it. That is not to be worried. So basically, if I would have spoken to you, the major question which comes out, I'm doing a recap, although I'm saying it very frankly, at a final level, you are very smart enough to know. But still, I thought that it's always a good thing that when we look at someone at a face to face and we are able to recognize much easier. The classes, number of lectures approximately I said was 62, number of hours approximately would be 180 hours I'm saying. And sir, if let's suppose we how much time we can look at that video. If video let's suppose is of a 60 minutes, you can view up to 1.5 times. That means sir, 60 minutes video could be viewed up to 90 minutes. You can do fast and slow and so on. That options I think you will have. So the 60 minutes video you can visualize up to 90 minutes time. Sir, if I purchase now and let's suppose I have some audit work and let's suppose I have some other work and I'm not able to see the classes in the 62 63 days, no need to worry. From the day you will install, the validity will be approximately 12 months. That means you, for example, if you apply in the June 2020, so from here the number of classes what you have, you can view them up to 12 months time. So you will have ample time, no need to worry. Although the suggestion from my side, if you ask, you should start the classes only when you think it will be in a continuity. That is my opinion. That's a personal opinion I'm saying. Then sir, uh, after that, few doubt, which is a major concern which comes out, which I think is the most important part which I wanted to discuss with you. I discussed the theory will be discussed, no need to worry, practical would be discussed. In fact, two major things which I should tell you, in fact three I should tell you. One, I have a habit of discussing wherever the practical has to be discussed from, let's suppose it's from the stock exchange or from the news item or from the M&A, merger acquisitions for example. I have a habit of discussing, but that does not mean that I would disturb your regular work. That means the regular course, because my main concern is what, or my main objective is what to score marks and at the best possible way. That is something we'll be taking care of. So there is no need to worry on that front. So we'll be taking care of that. The second part which is very important is, sir, if there is any practical insights of it, for example, for derivatives I require or some other place I require, that it has to be linked with the topic, I'll be discussing that out, which I think at a CA final is a very, very important part. In fact, rather than I telling you, if some of your seniors would have taken the classes, I would, in fact, this is something which I feel, I don't know, I should be asking you or not. In fact, I always feel that whenever you select a classes, your seniors are the best guide, because they know how the approach has been there of a teacher, what way he teaches, what pattern he teaches, so that you get a comfort level of it. Because when I'm saying, let me be very frank about it, when I'm saying, I'll always say yes, good enough, it's something we covered this way, etc. and so on. It is not criticizing anyone, it is just I have a habit, after starting teaching, after I think from 1.5 years down the track, I have always of the view, I have been always of the view that the best guide would be your seniors. Some of you might have taken the classes from me in the intern IPCC, that's perfectly fine. They would be knowing how do we, what is our approach. Basically, it's more of an approach. Subject is very simple and a beautiful subject we have, SFM, beautiful subject which is there. That means it's a something which can be related to the practical life in and out. Sir, would it be a complete English? The way I am talking, it would be a complete English. That means it will be a English batch, so it had to be English. I generally do not use Hindi word at all. That means it's an English batch, so it has to be English. Numbers would be in English. Everything would be in English. No need to worry on that. The most important part which I want to discuss with you as of now is, that is, for example, a doubt which generally comes to a student which we are trying for the first time from here. A doubt which comes, sir, let's suppose my exam is 1.5 years down the track. Let's suppose my exam is 1 year down the track, and I have read this out. I have taken the class, let's suppose 1.5 years before the class, and I have read this out, but somehow I am not able to recall at the end because there are n number of subjects to be studied. It could be costing, FR, DT, IDT, and by the time I go for the exam, everything is mixed around. SFM, which teacher we studied from, what we studied from, that could be something of these jitterness can come. No need to worry on that. if you go for this regular in-depth course, you will be given assistance with the booster batch. Booster batch, sir, what does it mean? I generally record approximately 60 hours. I'm saying 55 to 60 hours, a revision batch. We call it as a booster batch. So anyone who is opting for a regular this course will be given assistance up to 2 years with the booster batch. Sir, what does it mean? That means that if you, for example, you select or you take this batch now, you will have the option to go for the booster batch up to 2 years. Anytime you can exercise that option. No upfront amount has to be paid. It's only whatever the fees is this you have paid. That would be almost free of course. Why I'm using that almost free of course? The fees could be anything. It could be a 3000, 3500 for the normal. I don't know whatever the fees would be at that point of a time. For you, it would be a very nominal course fees that we call it as a book cost. Book cost could be around, it has to be below 1000. It has to be around 750, 800 at the max. That means if you opt for this course, you join for this course, regular course, and let's suppose it is almost 1.5 years and you do not have a time to go back everything again and you are not able to recap some of the concepts. So booster batch is one which is basically a revision batch, which will be which you can opt for at a very minimal cost. I using a word, a book cost, that could be some shipping charges and so on. If I include that out, it could be highest side 750 to 800 rupees. That's the maximum. That means it is only for whom, sir? Those who take join for this course. Also doubt can come, sir, if for example, let's suppose I have a views available here and I can view them again. It's your choice. Regular batch, you have the content available. If you want to do it, but somehow we have seen, since the student takes SFM classes lot earlier, so they generally do not have the time to do a recap. Although my advice is, once you start the classes, you should continuously look at them and should remain in flow with this subject till the time your exams are over. But that being very unjustified from my side, maybe because you have a 8 subject if you're planning for both the groups. In that case, the booster batch, revision batch helps out. What is that revision batch, sir? Revision batch is basically coverage of 80-85% of the syllabus at a fast speed. At a fast speed, we discuss approximately, I think, 150 to 170 question in that booster batch. So whatever would be the latest booster batch available at that point of a time, when you will opt it out, window will be open for 2 years to you, that you can opt for. That is one thing, which was a major thing, which I think is a major part which I should have discussed with you, rather than what is the content like. In fact, everyone would be knowing, and subject is a straightforward. What are the chapters, sir? What is the theory portion and so on, which will cover up when we move forward in the course. Everything what I said would be available on the description side also when you apply for it, so you can read that out also. There is no problem in that. It's only I just wanted to say hello. It could be a possibility that I wanted to say you a hi, hello, and it was meeting to you. So this is a small description about the batch which we are just launching. We are launching it, it's a, when I'm recording this, it's a June 2020 basically. So it's a fresh recording only. It's not an old recording. Only few classes we would have taken from the face to face, which also happened very recently. So basically, if you go for the regular batch, you'll have the option for the booster batch also. That gives basically, I should say, that gives you more of a comfort level, that yes sir, I have something to back up. That means fast track, I can revise something if by chance I have taken the full time and at the end I do not have a time, or less of a time is there, which could be there. Is it fine? So that was from my side, and take care and bye bye.